Welcome student. Today I am going to discuss about some questions answer from the topic atomic structure, which is a very important topic, and I will be solving some questions from JAM that came in different years. Okay. Now first question, the effective question number 28 came in JAM 2016. The effective nuclear charge of helium atom is 1.7. So we know that helium atom, its effective nuclear charge Z is given 1.7. We know that it has 1s2 electron, 2 electron in 1s orbital. Okay, now the first ionization energy of helium is, we know that IP of hydrogen like atom, IP is minus 13.6 into effective nuclear charge Z square by n is the principal quantum number where from which you are withdrawing or withdrawing one electron. Okay, we have to so if we here for helium, one electron ejected from 1s orbital, so n will be 1. Okay, n is 1 and Z is given 1.7, so it will be 13.6 into 1.7 square in eV, electron volt. Okay, so that will be 23.1 eV. So question the option number B is the correct option. Next questions, question number 28 came in JAM 2017. Okay, ionization energy of hydrogen atom in ground state is 13.6 eV. We all know that. The energy released for the third member of Balmer series. The first member of Balmer series is n equals to 2. So the second is equals to n equals to 3, third is equals to n equals to 4, and 1, 2, 3. Third will be, this is the ground, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So delta E, we know delta E is equals to delta E is equals to RH or 13.6 eV into Z square into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square, where n1 is the initial, the ground state, and n2 is the excited state, from where it jumps to the ground state. So this is 1 for hydrogen, so it will be 13.6 into 1 by the energy released for the third Balmer series is that n1 is equals to 2 for Balmer series, so 2 square minus 1 by 5 square, so it will be 13.6 into 5 square means 25 minus 4 by 25 into 4 means 100. Okay, that will be 13.6 into 21 by 100 equals to 2.856. So option number B is the correct options. Okay, next question. Next questions came in JAM 2018. question number 60, that the electron of a hydrogen atom is in its nth Bohr unit having de Broglie wavelength is de Broglie wavelength lambda is equals to de Broglie wavelength lambda is equals to 13.4 Armstrong. Armstrong, you know, 10 to the power minus 8 semi. Okay, now calculate the value of n. Okay, so that particular nth level, what is the value of n? You know that lambda, de Broglie lambda is equals to H Planck constant by mv, and also you know that mv r is equals to nh by 2 pi. Okay, so now put the value for mv. Lambda is equals to now h by mv. Instead of mv we can write nh by 2 pi into r. So h will be cutting here, so here will be 2 pi by n into r. Oh sorry, mv is equals to nh by 2 pi 1 by r. Okay, this is 1 by r. Now means 2 pi r by n. Here 2 pi r is given 0.53 into n square by n. So lambda is equals to 2 pi into 0.53, that is 0.53 into n. n is equals to lambda by 2 pi into 5.3. So that will be 13.4 by 2 into 3.14 into 0.53. That is equals to, that is here, that is almost n equals to 4. So that nth level n is equals to 4. Okay, n is equal to 4. Next question came in JAM 2019, question number 51. The ionization energy of hydrogen atom is 13.6 eV and the first ionization energy of sodium atom is 5.1 eV. Okay, the effective nuclear charge experienced by the valence shell electron of sodium atom is. Now sodium, we know sodium means atomic number is 11. Okay, so 11 electrons are there, that is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 3s1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 10, 1. So for valence shell outermost orbital, if we want to remove electron from there, so for this n is equals to 3, Okay, so first ionization energy means we are removing electron from 3s orbital. So here n is equals to 3. Now we know that for hydrogen like atom, IP is equals to 13.6 into Z square, means the charge in electron, charge of nucleus square, by the n square. N is 3. So here 13.6 into Z square by 3 square is equals to 5.1. Okay, now Z square is equals to 5.1 into 9 by 13.6. So that will be around, this is around 3.37. So Z square is equals to that. So Z will be around 1.8. So the effective nuclear charge on sodium will be around 1.8. Okay, thank you.